In front of me here, I have 3 must-have accessories for your Insta360 X3 and other 360 cameras. Now, you might be jumping into the world of 360 video. At the moment, you might have just bought your new X3. It was released last month, and these are some absolutely essential things that you need to get the best out of your 360 cameras. So in this video, I'm going to show you my 3 basic Insta360 accessories that I think you really should purchase as soon as you've got your new camera. Number 1, in the middle, if you want to get that third-person view look while you're walking around or you're doing any kind of video with your 360 camera, then you need a selfie stick. Now, the invisible selfie stick is the one I would fully recommend. This one is the 120cm version, and I like this one because it's got the friction-based resistance. There's no twist lock or anything. It's got a fairly big thread on there, so it works with various different cold shoes if you want to add external audio to your cameras, and it's got a nice grip as well as the 1/4" thread on the bottom for my next accessory. So this is the one I'd fully recommend. If you've just bought like the X3 or something like that, then this camera will give you that third-person look. And of course, in 360 video with these Insta360 cameras, this will be invisible, and the software removes it from the footage, and you get that really unique third-person view. So that is the first accessory I would fully recommend. Number 2 is their all-purpose tripod. Now, this has come in really invaluable to me. This is probably the accessory I've used the most, along with this invisible selfie stick. I really do like this, and it allows me to get a bunch of different shots, not only with the X3, but with other cameras as well. I like this because it's got these extendable legs that come out of the legs. Not only is it really well made, it's built of a really nice metal, and it's got these rubber grips on the feet. It's solid, it's got a really nice big thread on the top of it. It sort of goes flat as well, so it's nice and sturdy. Some tripods only go to about sort of there, and they can wobble a little bit. This goes more or less vertical to the ground. I like that. And it's wide, so for instance, if you're doing a time lapse or you want to do a star lapse overnight, you know this tripod is very sturdy. It's got a 1/4" thread on it, so it fits most sort of selfie sticks and other tripods. We're going to screw this onto the bottom like so, and then I'll put my Insta360 X3 on there for a star lapse, and you know it's safe, you know it's not going to fall over in the middle of the night. That's why I'd fully recommend this all-purpose tripod if you're just starting out with Insta360 cameras or 360 video in general. Really love this all-purpose tripod. My third must-have beginner accessory, especially if you've got the Insta360 X2 or X3, then you need the bullet time cord. You've got the bullet time handle, but this is so small and compact and easy to take around with you. You can just fit this in your pocket. It's smaller than the AirPods case, really thin and really small. Then, especially if you've got the X2 or the X3, it allows you to get that bullet time look, which is absolutely unique to Insta360 cameras. It's easy to use, and it's strong, it's reliable, and like I said, you get that bullet time look. So that is the other accessory I'd fully recommend if you're just starting out with your Insta360 camera, and it's relatively cheap as well. Everything will be linked in the description down below. You can just go to the accessories page and find these different various accessories on there. I think the most expensive thing is an all-purpose tripod. It's about £30 in the UK, but if you purchase a camera through the link down below, you get the free 120cm selfie stick with any camera. If you get one of the bundles, and I think they're throwing in some lens guards in there as well to protect those 360 lenses. So yeah, use the links in the description. But that's it for this video. I hope it helped if you're just starting out with 360 video with your brand new X2, X3 or your RS, whatever you've bought. I fully hope you're having some really good fun with it. Let me know about your experiences with Insta360 cameras in the comments down below. Yeah, and that's it. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads of new videos every single week. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.